Hey, I will teach you how can you ask name your friend in English American English. Ria, follow me on this YouTube channel. Okay, we start. How are you? Kurt. Kurt. Kurt is name. Ushaka kumubaza ngo ni gute witwa? How plus ale plus you or add cold. Cold is name. We pronounce how add are. How are they plus you. How are you plus cold. How are you cold? Cold ni C A double L E D. How are you called? We suppose Peter asked me my names. Peter said that. How are you called? I give you real answer. I'm called JP. Do you listen answer you must give your friend when you ask you? How are you called? Don't how are you? How are you called? How are you called? How are you called? How are you called? I'm called JP.